Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by creating two side-by-side columns and setting the raw input column to text so Excel won't strip leading zeros. This preserves numbers like 0, 1, 2, 3. Once done, enter a few sample numbers so you can test patterns. Make sure to choose a consistent format, E164 or a local pattern, because the rest of the steps depend on that decision. You'll see why preserving the raw text matters when you normalize and validate numbers in the next step. Now you normalize numbers by stripping spaces and punctuation using substitute nested for spaces, dashes, parentheses, and plus signs. This leaves only digits. Next, use right, left, and MID to extract the country code, area code, and subscriber segments according to your chosen pattern. Then concatenate pieces using text, text join, or an operator to rebuild the display format. Make sure to test on multiple samples. Handling variable lengths or country codes may require to finish, validate with LEN and IS number so you flag rows with wrong digit counts or non-numeric characters. Highlight errors for review. Once validated, remove formulas by copying the formatted column and using paste special right arrow values so the sheet is stable and portable. Finally, export or use data right arrow text to columns if required. If something goes wrong, filter for unexpected lengths or non-digits. That isolates bad inputs quickly, so you can fix the raw source without altering correct rows.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.